Hello guys, welcome back to our digital SAT Math Masterclass. So today we'll be dealing with questions on our real world problems based on linear system of equations. So let's begin with our two problems. Okay, that's our first problem. So how are we going to work around this problem in the exam setting? Okay, let's just read it. A premium co-working space charges a fixed daily access fees of $25 plus an additional hourly rate of $12.5 per using a dedicated workstation. If a student pays a total amount of $87.5 for a single day session, for how many hours H did the student utilize the workstation? So how are you going to read this thing quickly in an exam setting? See what's given: fixed daily access fee of $25. Okay, that's what is given. Additional hourly rate of 12.5 for using a dedicated workstation. There's a total fee which includes a fixed one and a, an hourly fee of 12.5. Means if 12.5 is for 1 hour, for h number of hours it will be 12.5 multiply h. And what the total amount is the student is paying, that is 87.5. Sorry, that is 87.5. So what am I going to do in that? I'm just going to simply simplify this equation and solve it for h. 12.5h is equals to, subtracting 25 on both the sides will give us 62.5. And now you have to quickly solve it within the within the time frame. Either you can just do it like this, the traditional way: 12.5 dividing both sides by 5, cancelling the terms till you get a proper number. Or you can just notice this guy is half of 25 and this guy is half of 125. If you know that, multiplying both sides by 2 would give 25, which is equals to 125, which will yield 25 into 5 is 125. H is 5 hours. Simple. Here as well, if you solve this thing, you will get H is equals to 5 hours. Simple. Correct? So this is the answer to the question. Okay. Now since this is done, let us move to the next problem. Okay. This is our next problem. What is it saying now? Let's see. Okay. In a system of linear equations given below, 4x minus 5y equals 11 and kx plus 5y equals to minus 30. K is a constant scalar. Very good. If a system of equation has absolutely no solution, now this is the key word here: absolutely no solution. What is the exact value of K? First thing, what does an equation in x and y with a single degree represents? That represents a straight line. So two straight lines having no solution in a Cartesian plane, what would that mean? Two straight lines having no solution would be parallel, means a constant distance between them. What it would mean? It would mean that their slopes are same. Slopes are same means in y is equals to mx plus c. For these two lines, their corresponding slopes m1 and m2 will be same. So what that does to this equation? For this equation, the coefficient of x and coefficient of y, their corresponding ratios will be same, which means 4 upon k is equals to minus 5 upon 15. Will it also be equals to the coefficient of the constant? No, because if that was also equals to these two ratios, that would be that would be a that would be the same line over itself. Correct. So here k would be equals to 5 into 3 minus 4 into minus 3 is minus 12. So k will be minus 12. Correct. Okay. Now here's the homework for you. Solve the same. What would they represent if this constant here was not minus 30 and instead of minus 30 this particular value was minus 33? Come on, answer and comment. Thank you. And for if you are having any doubts, if you want to prepare for SAT or any other exams, you can mail me or contact me for the material or for the demo classes. Thank you.